everyone, Miss Jessica here from San Francisco Ballet, Baile en las Escuelas y Comunidades. How are you doing today? I'm so excited to dance with you. Today, we are going to use symbols on flashcards to create choreographies. Hoy vamos a usar símbolos para hacer coreografías. Everyone learns a little differently. Some like to see what they learn. Others need to hear what they learn. And some of us need to feel what we learn in our bodies. No matter what your process is, you can create something amazing. Similar to scientists, when we write things down or use different symbols, we really remember it so that we can change the world. Let's get started. To make things fun, I decided to grab flashcards out of a hat that have different dance commands on them. To help me record the data, I'm gonna call on Profesor Manolo.
Hi everyone. Hola a todos.
Hola, Mr. Manolo.
Pues yo voy a dibujar diferentes símbolos para grabar todos los movimientos que hace Miss Jessica para poder recordar nuestro baile.
That's right. Our flashcards have words on them. Now Mr. Manolo is gonna record our data and create symbols that represent our dance commands. Let's get started and see our flashcards with words first. Spin very, very fast. And balance. Jump. Suspend. And melt. Let's try that again. Spin very, very fast. And balance. Jump. Suspend. And melt.
I'm going to show you some of the symbols I created based on Miss Jessica's movements. Spin very fast.
Voltearse rápido.
Balance.
Balancea.
Jump.
Brincarse.
Suspend.
Suspenderse.
And melt.
Derretirse.
Now, let's switch up the process. Yo dibujé un par de símbolos y esta vez Miss Jessica va a crear movimientos basados en estos dibujos.
This looks like a clock, un reloj. And I see some hands, a bottom hand, and a top hand. What is the top hand doing? It looks like it's bending down. Maybe this means for our upper body to bend down. I like that, Mr. Manolo.
Nice.
Muy bien. Let's see the next one. That looks like a swing. Maybe that means we swing our body. I like that. Wow. I really enjoyed using visuals like words, palabras, and symbols, símbolos, to help me create choreography. Now, let's try and use sound and body to help us memorize our choreography in a different way. Let's combine sounds with our movements. Spin very, very fast. And balance. Jump. Suspend. And melt. Wow, that sounds really cool. Now let's try it, but let's not say the words. Let's feel the sounds to help our memory. That was awesome! I really felt the vibration of the sounds in my body. That vibration can really help us memorize our choreographies. Great job, everyone.
Buen trabajo todos.
Today, we use different words, symbols, and sounds to help us memorize our choreography.
Hoy nosotros utilizamos diferentes palabras, símbolos y sonidos para poder memorizar nuestro baile. Now we can use our notebooks to help us remember our process.
So that we can remember our
Fabulous creations.
Gracias para bailar con nosotros hoy. Again, my name is Miss Jessica.
Y yo soy Profesor Manolo.
Y
Nos vemos la próxima.